Here are 10 ideas for improving trout fish farming. Implement sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices to minimize the environmental impact of trout farming. Use recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, to reduce water consumption and prevent water pollution. Establish a selective breeding program to develop trout strains with desirable traits such as faster growth, disease resistance, and better feed conversion rates. Utilize advanced automated feeding systems that adjust feed amounts and timing based on real-time data such as water temperature, fish behavior, and growth rates. This optimizes feed efficiency and reduces wastage. Implement a comprehensive water quality monitoring system to track parameters like dissolved oxygen levels, pH, and ammonia concentrations. This ensures optimal conditions for trout health and growth. Integrate aquaponics systems with trout farming, where fish waste serves as a nutrient source for plant growth. This symbiotic relationship can enhance overall system productivity. Explore vertical farming techniques for trout in controlled indoor environments. This approach can maximize space utilization and provide consistent environmental conditions. Diversify your offerings by developing value-added products from trout, such as smoked trout, trout pâté, and trout-based pet food. This can open new revenue streams and reduce waste. Utilize data analytics and predictive modeling to make informed decisions about stocking densities, feeding regimes, and disease prevention strategies. Collaboration with research institutions. Collaborate with universities and research institutions to stay updated on the latest advancements in trout farming technology, genetics, and disease management. Educational and agritourism initiatives offer educational tours and workshops on trout farming, showcasing sustainable practices and the importance of responsible aquaculture. This can foster community engagement and promote a positive image of the industry. Remember that each idea should be adapted to your specific context and resources, and it's important to conduct thorough research and feasibility studies before implementing any new practices in your trout fish farming venture. Idea and video by Mohammed Hussein Sheikh.